By the time you see this, it's Tuesday, and Tuesday is Newsday. Listen, I always say, whenever a platform hits you with some brand new features, the time is then to test out those features because they're normally going out of their way to make sure that they work. And so oftentimes they'll suggest the videos or the creators who are using those features as a way for them to get the data back as soon as they can so they can make adjustments. Same thing with Apple. If you buy a brand new phone in September or October and anything goes crazy, instead of going to the internet and complain about it, you go to the Apple store and you talk to them because they might be collecting data on something. You might get a whole brand new phone. You might get the situation solved out of warranty quicker than you normally would because they need the data as soon as the program comes out so that they can figure out things that they can fix to make sure it doesn't happen the next time. People be hard-headed because it's more fun to go to the internet and complain. Okay, let me hit you up to some things that are popping off right now. For those of you who make educator-type content, and I mean, it doesn't have to mean like for a school. I mean something where you're teaching. So going back to my buddy Kathy, she teaches like vegan, plant-based, no oil, whole food, whatever. Whole food, plant-based, no oil people, like how to cook various type things. And she has a metric F-ton. I mean, a metric F-ton of courses. Well, guess what? You can now put paid courses on YouTube. Bingo. Fam, are you understanding what The Rock is cooking right here on the side? You come down here and right there on the bottom, see a little hat, little graduation. Remember moving the tassel way back in the day when we had black and white TV? You can now put courses on YouTube. And the way you do this is either press that button there or look across your back end and you'll see there's a little tabby tab right here in the little left of center that says courses. And all you got to do is come down and set up a new course. So I guess the next question is, we're going to make one of these. So what y'all want to learn? I'm going to make a really quick, short mini course about something just to get it up there so we can test these things out. Because like I said, when something brand new comes up, you got to test it. If you don't, you're wasting your energy, right? Now, the other thing that I got to point out, some of y'all ain't going to like this. I know you come over here and you watch some of these videos because I see the stats, right? You come over here, you see the videos, and you're like, yeah, doc, but so-and-so said the algorithm this and the algorithm, man, F the algorithm, okay? The audience is the algorithm. And YouTube is making it so simple to find your content. You're asking questions in other videos. You're asking questions in the chat of how do I get more people to see my content? And the answer is YouTube is giving you the opportunity, but you're missing it. Why? Because you ever seen those videos where they're so worried about something that they don't see the monster creeping up behind them, getting ready to take them out? Yeah, it's kind of like that. YouTube is giving you the sauce, and it's too easy to worry about the algorithm is squashing my videos, or I'm being shadow banned, or they don't like small channels, and all these other weird things I hear all the time. You know, it don't make no sense for the platform not to show your people your video when they make money off of people watching your video. I'm just saying. Even if you're unmonetized, they make money running ads on your video. So they want to show everybody your video. So guess what they did? They have made it even easier for people to find what you're creating. Bingo. Right here in the center of your program now, it's not on every launch, but every couple of launches, if you scroll down behind the fold, you will see something that looks like this long gradient bar. It goes from pink to, I don't know, weird looking teal. And it says, ask for videos any way you like, and it is currently in beta. So some of the examples are, help me find effective workout routines I could do with no equipment. I'm thinking about travel. What recommended inspiring destinations or planning guides? Recommend videos that teach impressive skills like magic, juggling, or beatboxing. Craft or DIY project tutorials based on my hobbies. Inspire me to pursue a new hobby. Teach me something that will leave me feeling inspired. Like, those are just so many examples. And I don't know if I moved that page or not when I was over here on the tube. I believe I did. But here we go. Let's go to the browser real quick. All right, so here we go. You can search for anything, right? Check this out. I am taking a trip to Osaka and Kyoto coming up this December. I am looking for awesome breakfast places in Osaka and Kyoto. Bingo. Let's get a little searchy search. Actually, I know a bunch of these places because I've been to Osaka like 1,100 times. But look, right there, it threw some joints at you. And then boom, Nostalgic Book Cafe. This is right up my alleyway. I'm going to have to go check this out, right? Hidden gem restaurants you should visit when you come to Kyoto. And it's not Kyoto, by the way. It's Kyoto. Kyoto. Not Kyoto. Kyoto. Sorry, that one pisses me off. Anyway, there's a bunch of videos that they're throwing at us. Places you can see. Ooh, this right here. I know y'all can't see this too good. But this beef katsu right here, it's also katsu. It's not katsu. Katsu would be a feline. Anyway, let me stop giving y'all Japanese lessons. But yeah, there's it just pops up. So now, instead of a bunch of random videos, they're giving you playlists for you to help you bot your merry way. So what does that mean? Now that you know people have new opportunities to find your video, how about you go make up some searches about the type of stuff that you make and see what the results look like. And then, let me make some videos to feed those results. Okay? It is really that simple. It is really that simple. And I moved the thing too fast, but I don't think all of these videos are like massive views. No, actually, here's one right here. This person only has 629 views. So trust me, here's one of the videos they showed has 1 view. They are feeding anybody that's making content that is speaking about the subject matter that people type in that thing. That they don't like small channels. Shut up. It's not true. It is absolutely insane. It is wrong. If you ran a business selling books, would you not show a book that only had 5 pages in it if it was good? No. If it's good, it's good. So if you happen to be on a YouTube page, again, right now it's still rolling out, so you won't see it with every launch of a page. I actually opened it up in Chrome. I opened it up in Safari. And one thing that was funny, I was trying to screenshot this to put it in the community post to show you guys. And then I clicked off the page. I came back and it was gone. So when it shows up, give it a test. If you don't see it right away, next time you launch YouTube, it might pop up. You might, do a refresh and it'll come up. But test it out. See how you can make it work for you. And I want you to pay attention to the results that come up. Not all of those results are going to be like only the famous channels and only the big creators. They are putting in brand new creators in there. Yo, the excuses of people can't find your videos is getting a little soft in the teeth because YouTube is going out of their way to make sure that they help you succeed on the platform. Because now that they have customers looking for videos, I'm going to say that again so that it marinates into the stubborn people. David. I'm sorry, dog. I had to pick somebody. Now that they're looking for customers for your content their customers are looking for content because more and more people are watching on TV. YouTube is going out of their way to help you succeed so that you keep feeding the content machine. They don't want people on TV only looking at 4- and 5-year-old videos. Here's another news story. A lot of those big creators that you grew up watching or you liked, a lot of them don't create no more. A lot of them have moved on, started other businesses, gave up, married, kids, took a sabbatical, got burnt out because somebody else told them that burnout was a thing, and they gone. So that means there's a space. So just like if a restaurant in your neighborhood closed at the end of the block and like about a month and a half later, there's a new pizzeria, same thing. You can fill the shoes of the people that be leaving because folks is out here leaving. And guess what? There's a lot of space for us Gen X and elderly millennial creators out here because people are looking for people that look like them. Brandon told y'all in the live stream today that he started creating because he started watching YC, and YC led him to believe that somebody that looks like him could create content. That's my soapbox for today, because if it's Tuesday, it's Newsday. And guess what? YouTube about to drop more stuff tomorrow. So look out. I'm going to keep you posted as things come out. Oh, yeah, one last one. Oh, I almost forgot. Excuse me. If you're still around here, let me know in the comment below. But excuse me, the collab joints is fully out now. So now I expect to see some of y'all collaborating with each other, and I'll be reaching out to the people who reached out a couple weeks back that said that they want to collaborate, and we'll figure out what we could do. I'm going to send you a link to a Notion page so we can write our little notes and we can make those videos. So if you're down to get your collab on, holla at your mans. All right, let's go. Excuses, the maximum effective range of an excuse is about 0.0 feet. Let's go. I do not know who need to hear this, but if it was you, let me know in the comment section below. If you like this video, press the like button, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so the next time I get excited at YouTube's new drops, you won't miss it when I tell you about them. And right about now, the algorithm is going to show you another video they think you should watch, and I agree with them.
I need to know everything, who and the what and the where, I need everything. Trust me, I hear what you're saying, but act like it's new what you're telling me. I'm curious, George, I hop in the Porsche, it's 5 and a horse, I'm ready for war, I'm coming for throats, to turn to a ghost, I need to know everything. Now you be surprised at the info you get is by letting them talk, so I'm letting them talk.